This relationship, which has always been shrouded in mystery, has reached a critical point. What used to be something that you and this person could ignore or hide, now demands immediate attention. The tension between you has escalated, and each interaction seems to carry a greater weight, as if destiny is about to be decided. It's not a coincidence that you feel that something is about to change drastically. There is an invisible force pushing you towards an inevitable decision. And this person, who has been so important in your life, is about to take an action that will impact the future of this connection irreversibly. Do you know that feeling of not being able to hide what you feel anymore? That everything is about to be resolved, for better or for worse? Well, this person feels exactly the same. Thoughts are becoming more intense, revolving around you and this relationship. This person is in an internal dilemma, knowing that a decision needs to be made, but fearing the consequences. After all, this forbidden love carries its own complications, and every step taken has the power to change everything. This person, whom you think about so much, even with all the uncertainties, also feels the weight of the moment. There is a part that is stuck in the fear of losing control, that everything you have built together, even in secret, could crumble. What this person may not have shared with you is that, just like you, they are torn between the desire to move forward and the fear of the consequences of this choice. You have reached a point where what you feel for each other can no longer be denied, even if the circumstances do not allow everything to be resolved in a simple way. However, what you may not know is that this person is closer to making a definitive choice than you imagine. The doubt that has consumed for so long is about to give way to clarity. And when this decision is made, there will be no turning back. What the angels want you to understand now is that, regardless of the choice this person makes, your destiny is already being guided by greater forces. There is a spiritual connection between you that cannot be broken, even though for now, everything seems so uncertain. You are connected in a way that transcends the ordinary, and therefore, the unfolding of this story has a greater purpose. The waiting time, the difficulties, the sleepless nights, all of this is part of a journey that is leading you to a moment of revelation. The tension you feel now is the prelude to something great. Your angels are by your side, watching every step, and want you to know that, regardless of what this person decides, you'll be guided on the right path. It is not just a choice between staying or leaving. It is a process of deep transformation, both for you and for this person. Both of you are at a point of spiritual growth, and this decision will be the catalyst for a significant change in your lives. This person has been in conflict for so long, trying to reconcile what they feel with what they believe is right. But now, more than ever, the heart is speaking louder. What this person sees in you is something that cannot be found in anyone else. There is an undeniable connection that, despite all obstacles, strengthens every day. And that is why, even with all the fears and doubts, this person feels the need to make a decision, because the love they feel for you is real, intense, and is shaping both of your destinies. The inevitable can no longer be postponed. Everything you have experienced so far, all the shared experiences, the unsaid words, the silent promises, all of this is culminating in one single point, the choice this person is about to make. And when that moment arrives, you will feel deep in your heart that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Even though fear still lingers, the truth is that the love you share is stronger than any obstacle. Now, the angels ask you to trust the process. Trust that even though things may seem uncertain, the universe is guiding you to where you need to be. This person's decision is close, but how you will handle it is also crucial. Be ready to accept what is to come, for this forbidden love, despite all difficulties, is destined to transform not only your heart, but your soul. Now that this person is closer to making a decision, you may feel subtle changes in the energy between the two of you. Perhaps the conversations are more tense or, who knows, silent. This is because this person is deeply reflecting on the impact of any choice. In a way, they know that once the fate is sealed, there will be no turning back. And this realization is bringing a mix of anxiety and urgency. You may not know, but this person has been talking to close people, seeking advice and trying to understand what they feel. They are at an emotional crossroads, wanting what is best for both, but not knowing how to balance their own feelings and the expectations placed upon them. However, the angels are here to tell you that it is not a coincidence that this person cannot stay away from you. There is something greater guiding this connection, something that goes beyond the physical plane. You are connected by a spiritual bond that defies logic. Even in moments when this person tried to move away, something always brought them back. That's because the bond you share is not common. It's as if the universe is constantly sending signals to remind them that this connection is unique. When this person thinks of you, it's not just a passing memory. It's as if your presence is intertwined at a deep and invisible level, and that is something they cannot ignore. For a long time, this person has been battling their feelings, trying to find a way to resolve everything without causing more pain. But the angels want you to know that sometimes it is necessary to face discomfort so that something new can blossom. This forbidden love has tested the patience and strength of both of you, but it has also shown the depth of what you feel for each other. And now, the moment of resolution is closer than ever. What you need to understand is that this person is also afraid. Afraid of making the wrong decision. Afraid of losing what you have built together. Afraid of moving forward and discovering that perhaps the chosen path was not the right one. However, the angels are guiding you to have clarity in this delicate moment. Your intuition has been a strong ally, and it is important to trust it. Deep down, you have always known that something greater was happening between you. Now that something is about to manifest itself in a concrete way. Behind the scenes, this person has been confronted with their own feelings in an intense way. They may have tried to ignore or suppress what they feel, but the truth is that this love is too big to be contained. And as time goes by, they are starting to realize that they can no longer live without resolving this issue once and for all. The heart is speaking louder, and reason no longer has the same control it had before. In this process, you have also been transformed. The angels watch how you have dealt with each moment of uncertainty, and want you to know that your inner strength is admirable. You have learned to navigate these turbulent waters with more wisdom, and this is something that this person also recognizes. Every time you chose patience over impatience, love over fear, you strengthened this connection. And that is why, even though this person has not taken the final step yet, they feel they are getting closer and closer to the moment of decision. There is something sacred in the process you are going through. Every challenge you faced together was a necessary step for the growth of both. And now, the angels want you to know that all the effort you have put into this relationship will be rewarded. What seemed to be just another difficulty is actually paving the way for a new beginning. This person's decision will reflect clearly and definitively what they feel for you. If you are wondering how to act at this moment, the angel's answer is clear: keep being yourself. It is not time to press or force a resolution. The universe is already working in your favor, and the moment of revelation is closer than you think. This person is feeling the same pressure as you, and both of you are being led to a point of transformation that will change your lives forever. Nights when this person got lost in thoughts about you, the words they wanted to say but couldn't, all of this is building up an energy that will soon turn into action. This person won't be able to postpone the inevitable anymore. And when that happens, you will realize that all this time of waiting, silence, and uncertainty was necessary for both of you to see the truth about what you feel. Get ready, for the next few days will bring clear signs about this decision. This person may not say directly what they are thinking, but you will see it in their gestures, actions, and looks. And when the time comes, it will be impossible to ignore. The angels want you to know that you are protected and that, regardless of the outcome, the love you share is already shaping your destiny. Everything that has happened so far was just a preparation for this moment. We have reached the point where the unspoken words will start finding their way to the surface. What was hidden, suppressed, will become uncontrollable, and this person won't be able to hold back their feelings for you anymore. The angels show that in the upcoming days, circumstances that seemed static will move with unexpected speed. Something that seemed impossible to happen, something that was stuck, will start to unfold. This person, who has been cautious, will finally understand that they can no longer run away from what they feel. Have you noticed that this person has been different, more distant or more pensive, as if something is boiling inside? This behavior is a direct reflection of the emotions this person carries. There is an internal battle between what they desire and what they think they should do. And even though they haven't spoken openly with you yet, they are about to let it all out. The decision to reveal what they feel is closer than ever. The angels have a clear message for you. The silence of this person, the distance, the confusing signs, all of this does not mean that love is over. On the contrary, this person is pulling away precisely because what they feel is too deep, and that causes fear. They know that by opening their heart and sharing what they truly feel, they will be committing at a level they never imagined. It's a total surrender, and that takes courage. That's why this decision has taken so long, because this person knows that once this choice is made, there will be no turning back. On your part, you need to be prepared for the impact of this revelation. When this person finally speaks, it will be as if a veil is lifted, and everything will become clear. All the questions you had, all the moments of doubt, will be answered all at once. And it will be impossible for you not to feel the weight of this truth. The love this person holds for you is intense, is real, and is about to shape both of your futures in a way you never imagined. From that moment on, the connection between you will transform. It will be a new phase, where forbidden love will cease to be a shadow and will become something that shines brightly. But the angels warn, this moment requires a lot of patience and sensitivity from you. This person may not know how to express everything at once, but the signs will be there. And you will be able to sense what they are trying to say, even if the words aren't so clear. Furthermore, the universe is conspiring for your destinies to align. You may have already noticed the synchronicities, dreams, sudden thoughts, songs that bring back memories. These are signs that something significant is happening behind the scenes. And the angels are guiding you to be in tune with this flow of energy. Pay attention to the small details, as they reveal much more than you can imagine. The decision that this person is about to make will impact not only the relationship, but the entire trajectory of both of you. The love you share is too powerful to be ignored, and now that the pieces of the puzzle are starting to fit together, it is clear that destiny has brought you here for a reason. Everything you have experienced together, even the most difficult parts, was part of a preparation for what is to come. What the angels ask of you at this moment is to remain steady. Keep being the silent support you have been so far, because this person is almost ready to take the next step. And when that happens, you need to be emotionally prepared to deal with the intensity of the moment. There will be a mix of joy and relief, but also an understanding that what you have is rare and precious. This journey, though painful at many moments, is reaching its peak. And when this person finally opens up, you will understand how much they have been by your side, even when it seemed distant. The angels want you to know that true love cannot be stopped by external barriers. It persists, grows, and in the end, always finds a way to manifest itself. What you share is too strong to be broken. So be ready. Destiny is being decided now, and you are part of it in a much deeper way than you imagine. When this person decides to share what they feel, you will see how much this connection was already written in the stars. Trust the process, trust the love that exists between you, and know that what is to come will be the beginning of something great. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.